I told you right now that with a free account and a laptop, you could start charging real income for what most businesses desperately need. You heard me clearly. So you don't need to have a design degree or an expensive software. It is just a skill you can learn in a weekend and you get monetized in a week. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn graphics design skill into real income stream. I'll cover what branding actually is, 3 proven ways you can make money from branding today, and how tools like Canva and Snappa has made it much more accessible than we've ever had. So by the end of this video, you have a clear starting point and zero excuse. Branding design is actually the virtual language of a business. It is the colors, the fonts, the logos. Think of any brand you've ever had to recognize without even saying the name. That recognition, that is graphics design doing its job. And here's the thing, every business, from a solo freelancer to a growing startup, needs this skill, which means it is in high demand. The creator economy has exploded and more people are launching businesses, podcasts, Etsy shops, and personal brands at any point in history. And almost none of them have this design skill. So that gap there is your opportunity. Graphic designers who specialize in branding can earn anywhere from $500 for a basic logo package to about $5,000 or even more for full brand identity. And with the tools available today, you don't need to spend years learning complex software to get there. Number 1, social media graphics packages. Businesses need a constant stream of fresh and brand content for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, you name it. So you can create a set of 10 to 20 templated post designs for a specific niche. Emphasis on specific niche. Let's say you want to design for fitness coaches or online course creators, and you sell it as a monthly retainer or a one-time package. This model is incredibly scalable because you design once and you adapt for multiple clients. All you just need to do is maybe change a few things here, then you adapt it for multiple clients. 2, logo bundles. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, Design Bundles, they allow you to upload logo templates and sell them passively. So meaning you can be earning passively while you're even sleeping. So a single bundle of, let's say, 10 logo variations in the same style can generate hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars over time. So build a few bundles and you've got yourself a stream of income that requires 0 client calls. Number 3, YouTube thumbnails. This is probably the fastest way to land your first paying clients. Every YouTube creator needs thumbnails constantly. So a well-designed thumbnail directly affects whether someone clicks on a video, which makes it incredibly valuable. So you can offer thumbnail design as a standalone service and start it from, let's say, $15 to $50 per thumbnail, or you package it into a monthly deal. Find creators in your niche and offer a few samples. The conversion rate is surprisingly very high. If you're starting from 0, here's a path that actually works. Step 1, pick one niche. Don't try to design for everyone. Pick one type of client. It could be coaches, restaurants, content creators, and become the go-to designer for that world. Step 2, build a portfolio. It could be a portfolio of 3 to 5 samples. You don't need paid clients yet. Create fictional brand concepts and show what you can do. Step 3, use platforms like Upwork, Instagram, or even your WhatsApp status to find your first client. Let me tell you this, a real project, even a small one, builds more confidence than any course. Lastly, ask for a testimonial. See, one genuine 5-star review can unlock the next 10 clients for you. So always ask for testimonials. Now let's talk tools, and specifically the tool that every beginner should know. Canva is the most versatile design tool on the market for non-professionals. It has thousands of templates for social posts, presentations, logos, and more. Its drag and drop interface means you're designing in minutes and not months. It has a free tier that is genuinely powerful. And Canva Pro, on the other hand, unlocks brand kits, background remover, and a library of premium elements that seriously speed up your workflow. Snappa is leaner, faster, and purpose-built for one thing, creating high-impact graphics quickly. So it's also optimized for social media posts and thumbnails. It has a built-in library of high-quality stock photos and graphics. It has a preset dimensions for every platform. So if your main income stream is thumbnails or social content, Snappa can be faster for your daily workflow. This is what separates designers who get clients from those who don't. First, develop a recognizable style. Browse Pinterest, Instagram, and identify what you love. Let it influence your aesthetics. Clients hire designers whose taste they can trust, right? I did not say you should copy and paste. I said let it influence your aesthetics and have that high taste for design. Second, show your process. Always post a before and after. You can even share a time lapse of you building a design. Behind the scene contents build credibility faster than any sales pitch. Lastly, price confidently. The earlier part of this video, I said $500, $50, and you could be like, can I be paid as a newbie $500? Yes, you can. And here's the thing. Undercharging is the biggest mistake new designers make. So if you charge $10 for a logo, let's say for an instance, a client will assume it is worth $10. So they will always be charging you based on your worth. Know your worth and charge your worth. So I cannot imagine myself building a website for a client and I am charging less than $500. I know my worth, so I will always charge my worth. That's by the radio. So know your worth and always charge your worth.